He loved eating chocolate.
Yes.
He always had some.
How old was he?
Chocolate mousse. He must have been, how old were you in that photograph?
You manage it, Jen.
9 months, a year?
Bit embarrassing, isn't it? Most
Do you want yours? Yours? Smothered. And I'm smothered. Daniel, do you want tomato in yours? And then I've got a photograph of Nicholas.
What's wrong with you?
Jen.
Love.
We probably want one.
Put it back in there.
Because Simon's probably got that burger.
You can grab it as well.
Because we've got the sauce.
Lady home.
What's your name?
Maybe your opinion.
That's
nice, Cheddar.
More convenient then, isn't it?
Everyone else has got it in.
Yeah, everyone else.
Nice. Your first hot dog.
No. Come in. Look out.
Your first hot dog, Amy.
I'll tell Granddad, because I'll see you tomorrow. I'll tell him.
How are you getting on?
Oh, Jen's getting on fine.
Number 4.
Oh. You have to watch out for Mum. She's worse than the children's. She means well.
What are you doing actually?
You hold that. Hold it like that as I'm in a bar. Getting ready to come in.
You've got
Do you want to go sit in the other room? Do you want to take that or leave it? Yeah.
Alright, Simon.
In case you want lunch.
Mummy, I can't sit outside. I'm cold out there.
Yeah,
You eat in here, then when we go outside, you crack up all kinds.
Put your one piece on.
Oh,
I'll leave that in the kitchen.
Yeah, we can stand by the bonfire sign.
What happened? Come on, funny. I've put it on and I haven't had one thing. How long was that?
That's where it takes.
Yeah, no, migraine.
Oh.
No, we're now on to migraine. How long was that? Is that your migraine bracelet? Yeah. That's interesting.
Let's go on then.
I've had this about a year. I had one the other... I had one the other Monday, but I woke up with it, and I got rid of it by lunchtime, whereas I'd have had it for days. You've had a few lately, haven't you?
Yeah, well, I've
Really
got
bad.
right pumps all around my nose a bit red. Yeah, well, you can down out.
Does it work around the
Yeah, does it work around your willy?
A bit tight, Jeff, wouldn't you say?
I wish this was like, yeah, around your shoes.
Around your nut and all. Lovely.
Try that.
One very thing, if you wear it on
Sort of pair of duo balls to me, section
at
eight.
least that, so something else. You wear it on the other hand.
Put the mics on.
About the last year or so, I suddenly really, one night I come home from work, hardly drive.
Yeah, it can't
I got into home, straight into bed, sick, and I was there all night.
Uncle Neil, look.
Do you know, I think Rebecca's had a couple of migraines. I reckon she had one the other weekend. Woke up being sick, and then by lunch, and a nasty headache. By lunchtime she's right as rain, and I think that's her third. And I mentioned it to her old doctor.
Uncle Jeff, you might have one.
Could have been, but you're often right, aren't you? When you ask the wrong one, she's got a headache. What did she say? No, she said to me, she was being terrible headache.
Thank you very much.